Today I'm going to show you what it's like to lift in the hurricane type of winds.
It's definitely windy weather today for it.
And let's just say it wasn't easy, because that is what I've been going through the entirety of the whole week. We've encountered a lot of difficulties like swinging loads.
These panels behave like a kite.
Cancelled jobs.
Friday jobs have been cancelled.
It was a lot of stress accompanied with it. So stick around to the end to make this struggle worth it and experience all 3 jobs we attempted and see for yourself what it's like to be a loader crane operator. Starting off with Monday.
Good morning on a Monday. We have arrived to install this, to assemble this GRP enclosure. But the question is, are we on the right site? We can't get in touch with site contact and the site doesn't expect us, so no one knows. Well, after a few hours of faffing around, we eventually found the site, which was on the other side of the field. This is the expansion work, wastewater pipe running from Hinckley to Hill water treatment works. We're just trying to set up and wait for the people to actually dismantle the Harris fence so we can start working and putting the buildings together. We've got 2 cap ends and that's the starters for Monday. It's definitely windy weather today for it. Way too windy. Well, we've prepared the working site. We unloaded the pieces, so now we're gonna start assembly of this GRP enclosure, which is provided to cover the automation switchgear equipment, controlling the operation of the sewage works, or part of it. All the pieces segregated, and we will lift each section into corresponding place according to the drawing, bolted together, and at the end we'll just put the roof sections on and we should be done. Probably not today. We nearly have just over half of the building done. We just need to add another wall and a roof piece to keep it secure overnight until we finish the job tomorrow. Well, let's wrap it up for today. I'll see you tomorrow.
Stop! Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It will really help us in gaining more traction.
Welcome in day 2 of week 34. We're in Woods Logistics and Lifting Zone. We've got 6 panels to put on to finish off this GRP enclosure. Let's start it. Well, we've got one more side wall to put on and the last section of the roof, and now it's starting to rain and the hurricane is on its way. Storm has passed by the look of it. We're just finishing off putting the last wall panel, and then we still have this last narrowest roof section to put on to finish off the building. And then it will be us done. Then we should be going on the way to Leicester, I think, to take a load back up north. As always with any sort of installations, the last piece is always the tricky one, and it takes much longer than expected. Hopefully we should resolve, and the final piece will be accepted by the project manager. Right, it's 7 o'clock Thursday morning. We're gonna do some yard movements, and then we don't know how the day is gonna play out. We'll see. Right, we've got transshipped the cabin, and now we're gonna find a place to land it somewhere in Leeds. Let's fun begin. We need to get the wagon, reverse the wagon into the ground that way and into the compound. Finally, after a bit of the negotiation, the wagon is placed in position. Well, first part done. We've loosened the 24-foot toilet block behind the trailer. Once we get rid of this double stack, we're just dismantling staircases on the other side. Then we'll take off the top cabin, put it on the other side so we can get to the bottom cabin. So then we can load it on the bed and take it to Ilkley, then come back, load another cabin, which is the top one, and take it to Ilkley. But before we do that, we'll put the 24-foot toilet block in place of here. Well, we've delivered the first cabin. We didn't record anything because we needed 2 hands for the tag lines. So I'm just watching Chris reverse into the site for the second cabin. Watch yourself. Yeah, it's a hectic site. In and out, all the wagons coming in one way, cars flying past, so yeah. But we've landed the first cabin, the bottom one. Now we're gonna pick up the top one, take it away, put the 24-foot toilet in place, and then we'll go down to the other side to finish it off. Let's put this 24-foot toilet block in place and load this back on ours. Right, we are off ski to get this top cabin delivered, stack it on top of the other one, assemble the staircase, and we should be done. Hopefully we might be able to fly a drone a bit. Well, this is the final move. Double stack of this office block on the other side of the wagon, and then we'll assemble the stairs which are on the back of the small van, and we can call it a day. We've got landing on, just a staircase, and we're good to go. Right, at this time we've reached the end of the week. Friday jobs have been cancelled, so this is the end of it. Enjoy the weekend.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like following our adventures, then you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button and a bell icon to get notified about next releases of our adventures. In the meantime, enjoy your long bank holiday weekend. Not much left out of it yet, but going back to work on Tuesday, so enjoy the rest of it and see you in the next video.